right, what's up, Tech Twins? Ray here with Twin Folk Tech, and today I got some goodies for you. I got two accessories for the OnePlus 10 Pro in case you're looking for some neat cases outside of the more popular lines of cases like your Spiegens and your original OEM cases and things of that nature. As you can see here, I am rocking the Sandstone case here direct from OnePlus, and this is always a must with any OnePlus phone, but I wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit because I always get the Sandstone, always get the carbon fiber cases from OnePlus. So I kind of wanted to switch it up a little bit. So go ahead and take that off. So if you've watched my last video of the OnePlus 10 Pro review, I did actually have a skin from D brand on there. It was a nice marble skin from D brand, but I decided to take that off. So now I just want to rock a different kind of case. I'm really into rocking different cases based on, my mood of the day, how I'm kind of feeling. So you'll probably be getting a lot of case videos from me. But anyhow, went on Amazon. I picked up a couple of things here. So the first one, I've already opened these up, but the first one here, this one is from a company called Folu, and this is the liquid gel rubber bumper case with soft microfiber lining cushion, slim hard shell, shockproof, protective cover for OnePlus 10 Pro 5G. So long name there. So we're just going to call this the protective case from here on out. So we got the protective case here, getting it out of the package, and it does have a nice microfiber feel on the inside, very similar to my iPhone 12 Pro's case that I have direct from Apple. So I really like this. This one is surprisingly feels surprisingly good to me, despite how cheap and like non-name brand this is. So let's go ahead and throw it in the case. And it's a really pretty blue color. So yeah, we've got full camera protection pretty much here for the camera island over here, and we got cutout for all of the lenses there. You got your cutout for your signature OnePlus notification slider, so that's good to have, and it's pretty easy to use that. And you've got your power button right there, very clicky, very clicky. You of course got your weirdo lanyard hole here for those of you that like to put lanyards in your phones. I am judging you. I've never seen anybody do that in real life, but I digress. Then you got your cutouts for your speaker down here, bottom firing speaker, cutout for your USB-C charging. You've got an additional cutout. I guess that's for another microphone. And then you've got your volume buttons on the side here. So these are, again, nice and clicky. This is a very well-fitting case, nice and snug on here, no wiggle, no give. And let's see, it does pass the wobble test to me. A little bit of wobble at the top just because of that camera bump, but it's pretty flat. Pretty flat. Yeah, this one is a lot nicer. This one is a lot nicer than I thought it would be. So I say this is a good pickup here. So I'll leave some links down in the description for both of these cases here. But again, this one is the silicone protective case from Folu. So we'll go ahead and take this bad boy off here and just set it to the side for now. So the next one up, and this one is the one that I was most excited about. This is going to be your fashion case from Fintology. I guess that's how you say it, Fintology. Um, Again, another just random off-brand case that I came across on Amazon. And this here, to me, this case to me just screams OnePlus. Absolutely screams OnePlus. So you've got your carbon fiber on this left side here. You got a nice red stripe off to the side. And then on this side, you got some kind of like faux leather kind of feeling material here. But it all feels good in the hand. Can't believe I just said the generic techie term. Feels good in the hand. Anyhow, let's check the buttons. Ooh. Buttons are very nice and responsive. Very nice and clicky. You've got your cutout again, of course, for your OnePlus notification slider. Again, very clicky buttons. Accidentally turned on the camera. Once again, you got your lanyard holes here. Got your cutout for your bottom firing speaker. Got your cutout for your power supply, USB-C. Got your cutout for your other microphone. Got your cutout for your microphone at the top there. And once again, just like the previous case, you have that nice protection around the camera bump. But again, obviously, you're going to have cutouts for the camera and the flash themselves. So this is a really, really dope case. And like I said, this is really feeling OnePlusy to me. So I'm probably going to rock this case for the next couple of days because I'm really, really feeling it. Very nice texture on the back here. But both of these, I'll say, both of these are extremely nice cases for the price. Very cheap to pick up. Like I said, I'll leave some links down in the description for you, but very, very cheap to pick up on Amazon. And I'm just kind of surprised. Usually with these types of cases, you get kind of a squishy, gross material and they end up not being worth buying. They're kind of just something you put on your phone in case maybe you're waiting for a better case to come through, like when a phone first comes out or something. But these are surprisingly good. So again, you can be on the lookout for me for some more content coming up soon, especially accessories, true wireless earbuds, IEMs, maybe some other phone reviews if a phone comes out pretty soon that interests me. I'm not just going to do phone reviews just for the sake of it, because those things are expensive and it is annoying to constantly flip phones. But you can expect a lot of accessories, true wireless, and audio stuff and other stuff like this watch here. Those kinds of reviews from me. So it's been fun. This is again Ray here signing off for Twin Folk Tech. Be good to each other, be good to your tech, and stay twinning. Peace.